What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be working on the valve cover. I've already taken it off. Sorry I didn't film that, but we got it over here in the garage and let's take a peek at it. Right, so we got the valve cover out. I took off all the little cover pieces. I don't know if I can remember where they went. There, just like that. That one goes there, these two there and there. I'm gonna clean everything off. Got to get all this gasket off. The old gasket was kind of trash, but got to get all this stuff off. I'm gonna clean it up on the inside. All right, so we got the valve cover kind of cleaned up, mostly just degreased. Trying to get all these little black pieces of gasket out, but it's looking a lot better than it did. Quick before my fiance gets home, I'm gonna run this inside and wash it out in the sink. Don't tell her or anybody, but yeah, next step, I think we'll start sanding it. Make sure we get all these little pieces out and we'll sand her down and get it all prepped for paint. All right, valve cover just got sanded. It's nice. Cleaned up a little bit more, but hopefully everything will just paint over that. We're gonna try to sneak it inside while the fiance's busy doing something. Run it underneath the sink again. And then we'll throw these covers on, put some gasket maker in there, tape it all up, and she's ready for paint. Woo! Got it all taped up. Time to throw some paint on her. So this is what she looks like after she got painted, but it's a little more orange than I'd like, so I'm gonna go get some darker red spray paint so it matches the car a little bit better. Do a coat or two, call it good. Alright, we got it all painted. I'm liking this red quite a bit more than the orange that we had. So yeah, that'll finish it up. In the next video, I'll put the gasket on and peel off all this tape, do an install, and yeah, hopefully she looks good. Got some spark plug wires coming, got new spark plugs, and a new PCA valve, so we'll put all that in on the next one. Hit like, subscribe. Thanks everybody.